If you receive the code and an instruction that it needs to be deployed before the closing body tag, this is how you do it on WordPress using Ad Inserter. And this option allows you to deploy separate set of codes or tags on specific pages or categories of your site, so it doesn't impact other pages or sections of your site where you don't want this code deployed. On WordPress, you go to Settings, Ad Inserter. Then first you go to the Settings tab, click the gear icon right here, go to Hooks. If you have an existing hook already that's in use, you can leave it as is. Let's go ahead and enable another one, and let's call this before closing body. Or you can also call it footer. It's really up to you. But the action is very important. It has to be WP_footer. And of course, very important, it has to be enabled. Once that's done, go ahead and save it. As our test code, we're going to use this script right here, deploy it, and I'll have it enabled on all sections of the site. For the insertion, I'm going to choose before closing body, the one that we just created, and then go ahead and save it. Now let's go ahead and visit the site, right-click, View Page Source, and let's try to look for this tag right here. And it's right there on line 2014. Okay, and the closing body tag is on line 2502. It does not really come immediately before the closing body tag, but it is in the footer section. So with this strategy right here, you can actually deploy different tags on different sections. Let's say, for example, this will just go into the home page. You can go ahead and just enable home page, insert it on that hook that we created, save. You can choose another block, deploy another code, and this time you can enable the rest of the sections of the site and still choose the same hook, save. That's how you separate the tags for different sections if needed.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.